Never forget what we have. Never forget what we have. Never forget to be honest.
Wilmer, you broke every rule I thought I knew. 15-year-old me would never believe me if I told her she was marrying the Wilmer Regis, getting married to my very best friend. All I've ever wanted was to dream crazy things and have someone who would do crazy things with me. This wedding is just a testament to us. There's nothing we can't do. Wilmer Marcelo Regis, thank you for choosing me. Thank you for choosing me, Pa. Your greatest admirer, your biggest fan, and your truest friend, MP.
Jesus. This thing that we've created and that we covet and we protect so much, the power that we feel when we have each other by our side, the only thing I've been able to kind of generate as a word is complete and utterly grateful. Grateful for you in every single way. You empower me to reach into the best parts of myself and give me the space to sometimes learn some lessons on my own. It's such an incredible privilege to be living this life with you. The entire world is ours. Always, always.
Let's raise our glasses to the new Mr. and Mrs. Regis.
Let's get moving.